Paul been making this talk, long helping Billy, long all Corin, long no can make him talk long saben na ting long all yet. So I'm making this talk, I go back isim book long Hiob. Where talk Elipas been making no Hiob. Tasol Elipas you see mo sem ting na sabe blong man. Na em no make him mo sem talk blong God la helping Hiob no God. And you see ting na sabe blong man we em ting mo sem ba inap la helping Hiob. And you may line him too long em mo sem plenty man now inside long. Place or country or town, all you see mo sem all kisi mo kain ting or sem talk place tu sem inap lo gim help him lo man or talk place inap lo gim one plus good plus something lo man or sem all must use him talk place. Yes, sem true talk place sem God give him lo yumi all man lo yumi can make him talk place lo place yumi stop one lo him talk lo talk place. True kain or sem tasol talk place mino blo all sem by give him one plus good plus something lo man or give him one plus good plus blessing lo man. No God. God one plus tasol talk long God tasol blessing through. Na talk place by help him yumi lo one plus something talk long God tasol blessing through by help him yumi.
Something I'm bossing you. I'm also time you losing you lali more get trasani lo bossing you na you lose thinking of making work from God. And you go to market vanilla coffee you losing more get a time you lo making this work na you not thinking work where you come. You lose him Sunday, you lose him work boom time to Sunday and you know come to Sunday you put him market or work all this work lo coffee vanilla you make him inside lo work time to Sunday now you not thinking this plan so kind of some all this plus something I'm bossing you.
Ina sina one day one ten na or Satan. Satan make him also or man he must pass one time passing belong hiding that's all. Or some just like in this one. And the Bilwal was Satan. Talk no God. Or man marry and all the body belong me. Now all the house holy belong God. Or some all the must pass one time me God that's all.
You mean no can pass one time man aside. Pasal sawe drink or steam or man sawe smoke drug. You mean no can pass one time. No good. You may pass one time na this passing. You may pass one time this man and this passing ba. Down him you may or pull him you may go inside on this plant.
This la kain ol pasin God no like him make him man dirty life long God lo this la kain ol pasin. Tasol long wok blim ol Christian lo yumi mas try no help him this pla man le mas lusin this la pasin make him dirty. Na yumi mas help him no try long mas kam na putim tok long God inside to bel na ting long tu. Tasol suppose yumi pass one time straight na yumi go inside to this la pasin no sa man do sumukim drop na mi pass one time na this la pasin can pulling me to now and times la pasin pulling me now mo sa mi no mo start clean life long God now. We me down him like na study good lo Bible kisim as lo talk straight na talk true lo down him na sol him this plakay negi lo place na so him lo pasin lo yumi tu all man meri ba kim pasin lo yumi behind him talk yumi study long pasin lo itu mas behind him talk now man meri ba lukim mo semen me tu mas one kind of sem this palida well out in talk through lo mina while behind him now I must have me stop good na stop inside of this blood cells. So story lo Paul and helping me lo this la.
Inside lo congregation and we plan on looking on behind and start. That's all. Man musati kisim baptized na sawe finish long God. Emiat em puti mem step out na em kama posem Hayden. Posem na long display now. Em you no can walk boom one time all long one. All by game karangi ting na.
Niga walk close to long game selling one time give talk lo go to one time em can senis na kambe.
Poroman domen Kristen. Nam sa tram le helpi mi lo sam langut la tok lo godo ting lo mi mas behind him tasol mi am stop hidden. Osena ting do mi na pasin do mi am no one kind do am nara plan. Mi sawe lo pasin do still na pasin igris na mangal na making pasin pamuk. Mi stop out to da lo la ting na tok blong godwe. Em sai go lo tu na kisim lo ngam. Nan wokot em sa tram lo helpi mi lo behind him gut la ting na. Sawe o tok blong godwe em kisim lo ngam lo mi mas behind him na. Ba mi tuplo mas tap one kind na one pla. Lo sila gut pla pasin mas tap name lo mi tupla na.
Mosem pasin you make him mosem you lead that too. This la pasin do itu mas na plus kia so that sampla ala pla or can looking pasin do you mosem you Christian or tu mas tanin bel. Come back join in this kind life na. Start inside the community or yours.
Me married finish so suppose Mary I'm still stop hidden na mi stop Christian. Okay, me got work lo help him no. I must losing this passing hidden I must come up Christian or some to blow and them can hold him hand make him walk. Now suppose man no Mary I'm stop young play na make him walk. And now some em sawe lo display talk through finish and display mo sem walk start long em yet lo time lo em like married em no can ting lo light na ting long em yet lo finding for man lo em mas asking God one plan lo I help him lo give him a man or Mary or sem can married na to plan thing can some one kind to plan thing can start as a Christian and display by help him man family lo to plan or picking ini na same time too, you can help in community. Look in this passing Christian or God. Our two can line in this plan and behind him.
Ni masalalim klase stop ting blomi na mi kan kisim self pasin blong em na ba mi given this ogola something na klase mi kan give ogola something alpa something to long mi osem na mi no can continue mas long now taso.
When them walk or something, so we can learn Christ up number one life to me. So I think we must have time. No, sering talk from go to them Arab lah, poro. Or we can even some the time we walk about making some mission inside the place or outside. Again talk from go to Mama Mary.
Lo you no na pro sabe lo God na you start person thinking lo man one piece for this playground and by you involved lo kind of situation no good na but more thinking lo this playground by no na pro helping you. So must lo this black thinking we must thinking talk lo God is step number one or life lo miss that but we can avoid it lo or thinking lo man na thinking passing no good to this playground. Alalim talk lo ini can step number one inside our life for me. Now we must start in this kind of work practicing inside our family house na being so out for people or congregation.
Christ is step number one on life for me. And all the time, day and night, we must make in prayer, reading Bible. Wanna help me walk about the road or garden or wanna help me stop and all the time we must think, talk from God inside Lord. Thinking na Bible. Masam na long this road now. And bami can pass in dua Lord. Certain Lord come inside. One time kind thinking on this ground. So me by start true as a disciple of Jesus.
Behind him talk to Christ or me holding strong talk to Christ now ba. start disciple lo Christ. Okay, nada play Muslim. We must believe him and slow walk way. Christ make him hand up lo, diwai cross lo. Simbek mi lo, kalabus lo, sin mina lo, lose lo sla, or aswa o, sin misa make him taso. And say Christ die hand up lo, diwai cross na. And bind back mi lo, sla kalabus lo, sin no sen. Walk start lo, handu mi lo, retai mi mas. And believe in sla, walk lo, Christ.
Or Palestine will more long Moses finish. That's all. Then, teaching long only I know something so low. And more go teaching long man yet now sometimes we go asking Jesus can long this la. So Jesus is upset or talk long and talking more of them. You try you know come straight to the talk long. Go. Play kalau cincin perlu iplay na. Dia ni lobong iplay.
Muslim or man sawe behind him low bro ground Muslim or samla passing tumbuna or kind something Muslim. Na all thing Muslim. This blow low and straight by can help him or man. That's what this plan thinking bro man and culture passing bro ground Muslim. You must go and then talk long God or low long God or down in this black kind or something. Lale more money can believe lo talk lo God tasor. God like me just like me and one kind tasor you must like him another. And this plan number one law where God or Jesus like him. Jesus talk lo you must behind him.
Man we come tasol lolotu na behind go back lo house, go back talk backside na behind come back lo rotuken we no sawe lo orot as lo talk through come tasol lo like dongan tasol or sem na yumi usai ko yumi sawe lo as lo talk yumi mas tok isi one men down in yumi na tok isi one men na soy asblo toklongan o soy memlo rotru
na pla thinking pla amantel masam kan manasam mi pla antem o you want to walk about walk lo lotu so kabek lo rot longan mem longwe tumas inside to rot tigator garden kai bro nara prime start so inside to this pla kabek longan mi pla antem walk about kam lo rot lo name lo rot sample line or kisin display kai sen still kai no cook lo rot ista so mi plan antem disproman we like tasolo lotu tasolino kilia tumas lo tok bogot mi plan kam antem bungin display line cook so inside lo display no kilia so looking display kai like kai to tasol mi plan help me lo tok kimen so display kai but you mean of an kai I'm still kai.
Number one, work lo polem. Polet writing na to kan to kam baptize si molman. Number one work dong kam outing good news. Outing talk through blong Christ Lord man Mary blokori. Walk through blong yumi o walk blong ilong may outing good news lo man Mary lo mas tanim there. Time polem walk about lo kain ha outing this good news tas all good news blong Christ. One pasin on this place all stop long tas all low blong ino kalapi mo sem talk blong God. Polino sem he go down in this plan. I'm like outing this plan walk on good news lo kissing back all of sem na. Mo behind one low all stop long that's all no believe in this plan low long like kissing back all long good news.
Congregation must support you work good news. Lo kissing sla live stop all time lo behind time. work machine and go out, okay, congregation must support him. Support him sila work machine lo sanap slong na work good news must go slong bro make him man meri kama disciple bro Christ.
Ano sa mol evangelist tu or sa wow lo place hidden mol congregation mas strong im all or mas go start na making work helping more Christian man diri.
Orang sa 10, verse 21. Kita ada tok bisa belum verse 21 ya, tok kosen no kan diri no kap belum diklamadan na mixin kap no speak no good one time. Masa nang tahu dulu sa tok. Nandal ko sa MP patok tumas. Na ni pa sa pinser lo sa patok pa. Osa na example belum na masen. Ni play mas tanin ber na kan tak lo mapla kotas. En long titik belum na tok ko en pelu kim desa tok. Na em so ni palo to sempre mas kulim ora pa Christian tu. Ay mas ni palo kada mas diri no mapla katason na. Lusin kapno spirit no good na diri no kapno bitason. Kapno spirit no good mas or mani believe lo God yaman o wiso when something now li salik lo now sabe. Believe lo men. Se molvis krabe mo se mosa wasil sik no hermana to kosem. Em sik briba pinis. Na or no beten long man. Na mi baluk sabe ron lupla kap long. Bikla na ay masa bikla sabe o se bikla masista kwanya kap no bikla lo na kap lo bikla em bikla mo na even kap no spirit no.
Igat one pla custom staff from this place suppose. One pla man. Mi pla book keep screw lo this pla talk to suppose me one pla man. Even kisim kai kiau blo bus paul na go inside lo garden talo em this pla talo iken ina from bagara pe one pla life story blo. This pla place. Tasol now this pla buken blo. Koline mi can talk mi pla sem suppose mi pla booking this pla. Screw lo this pla tinting now ba mi pla na to kai lo table blo. One time price. Ke nala pla tu and we got suppose one pla man and got big pla sick. Kaino sem sa sick muluka pundaw na trauma lekhan. Na all man sa giamani mem lo snake now. Bien bato kaut lem now by kirap sing na danis now this pla spirit no good by rusi mem ni bona this pla sick by no na lo. Stop one time more lo this pla man. So this pla kaino mo se mi pla ga this pla kaino life story stuff inside of this pla community since before yet come now se mi pla tingi mo se now this pla book lo Korindo chapter 10 na line 21 22 ya mi ken kotin pla lo this pla thinking.
So mi pla laini me mo se mi pla tingi wan pla ting mo se. Ai mi pla lukim mi pla ren saiti mo se lahap na le kamu hia mi pla sam. Pasi kunai na as lo kunai bago straight o dislahap no ba ren mas benim disla control lo kunai na woda benim wara. So lem disla something em semi ability pini sensla ren em sa po like lo godet sa po semple kamu sem hia em kami ability ta solbem mi pla putin brukis krulon disla kunai sa one plus spirit nung em ken bring in direction do ren go back tamlo sem benim wara woda. So this la minus straight and Paul help him mi platu na. Mi plano kan tingin this plaka mi pla mas tingin mo sem rain ni kam din him like long go it lo ren na kam no iya. Ren gen kam.
Igat all to sa jaman believe to em stuff. Osa na sawas mi pla lakatin kaden na. Sawas wang try to jiwa em sanap. Okay mi pla masigo na. Mi pla buy this pla place past them. Before lo mi pla katin kaden. So risla mo se mi pla poretin slow spirit nungut na mi pla opai mol. Na bian okay. All kisim belisi na bian mi pla ken making work la. So risla mo se mi pla laini mo se display mi pla lo drink no cup lo big pla na drink no cup lo spirit nungut tu. O kai ka antap lo table lo big pla na kai ka lo table lo spirit nungut tu. So risla now mo se mi laini mo se slow ting lo kai lo tubla cup one bla lo big plan na blo onema spirit nungut table lo big plan na blo spirit nungut and by mi lusim lo spirit nungut na imistap lo big plan kaso.
Lo so in passing lo Holy Spirit lo alapla. Em talk stop finish lo 1 Corinthians chapter 13 na 13 tong.
13 emang to kosem. Pasin belum believe. Na pasin belum wait him God, he make him good long yumi. Na pasin belong give him bell, belong yumi long all Arab lah. This pla tripla pasin by istap all time. Tasol number one pasin true and pasin belong give him bell, belong yumi long all Arab lah.
Usan na lo soin pasin lo Holy Spirit lo or Arab lah and pasin lo giving bell lo Arab lah.
Pasin lo Holy Spirit ini tok tanti long Holy Spirit sawe like him, sawe help yumi lo pasin lo like him. Na ini kat planti present long tu tasol. Present long planti tasol lo walk long one la tasol. Holy Spirit one la tasol. Also na suppose you want man you got walk lo making small miracle or writing all sick man. I know same. Tapos suppose la pasin lo like him minus tapos la walk lo you make him. And this plan maybe no walk the Holy Spirit. So this plan pasin now you make him you know, so him Holy Spirit lo all Arab lah, all balukin, all batok, no. Him sabi making miracle tasol, passing the like him, you know, so him too. So you must like him, suppose him like make him, so him Holy Spirit lo all Arab lah, passing the me. You must make him walk, then you must like him all Arab lah too. This plan passing God at him like him, and Holy Spirit too, and then walk the one when so make him like the one.
Poliken soy mi plag sampla good plag thinking tu lo walk blong ini salo this plag place blong calling. Lo mi plag mas lo salo lo pasin tu now mi plag sta plan no life for this program tu. Mi plano kan overling power blow man yet na lusim thinking lo God am step number one so mi plag mas try lo. Kamapim sambla tinting fight na melo mi playet na lusin tinting bloman na mi pla comeback close to long God by this play can help him mi play.
Suppose one plo blata kam nakatim piknini blomilo night. Okay, walk lo present with Holy Spirit give lo me kind heavy sem come up lo piknini blomi. Okay, mi no can bel hard quick. Mi mas down him na mi was straight lo na sit down isi one dem down him miet na ko sit down one dem na to blata you make him osem nunggu wrong. Osem ni mas lusin.
Suppose me got sila present lo Holy Spirit sila present lo onama autim top lo God na milukim on bla barata yang pudaw no sin kaya me got walk lo me can go na help him no top lo God lo I must tanim bel na lusin sila pasin na kabekian lo stapanin it lo God one ratas lo.
Narapla mo sem poletem so in this holy present the Holy Spirit give no make him talk lo kain talk place. Na em talk him Korinto sem lo mi mo sem present Holy Spirit give no mi mitu iga display lo pasim lo autim talk so mi autim mina po pipe la tasol mi gat em ba mi autim na 10,000 mina na make him. So I want present and helping you me to sem kain present to sem Holy Spirit give no mila autim to and we must make him enough osem present Holy Spirit give no milo we must autim to osem short plata sol come no point straight talk through straight lo all man meri mas harim this plato na like him me tu lo we must autim kain to osem moya mino kan autim long plana long pla o same point na ba make him all man meri less lo mi. No, at mi mas autim straight, talk through, do seni si man meri, lo dislami pulim bel, dol man meri tu lo. Like him display present, lo Holy Spirit sa mi, make him walk long.
Suppose Holy Spirit give me present lo, autim talk. Mi autim talk lo all man meri finish. Okay, lo help him all, he must sabe good lo. As lo talk, mi must show him good lo passing lo. All two. Person lo like him, person lo help him, and this play he must come up lo. He must show him this la kind of person to lo all by. Also I was talk me out him and me out him talk through na. Person to and behind him. Because all man by skill and person lo me want them talk me out him. Suppose me out in talk from God that's all. Suppose passing from me, one kind lo talk me out in, and more by believe lo talk me out in. Now suppose passing from me, and natural lo talk me out in, and this plan by no lo help him all. Iksim talk from God.
Holy Spirit give me present lo prayer lo sigman lo mbak si morait lo ngam. Okay, mi masoy display passing or display present Holy Spirit give no me also. Time mi go na mi prayer lo ampla man na sik lo ngam pinis. Mino kan lari mem lo give me planti kago mani o disla kain. Mi masoy display present so me Holy Spirit give me so. Mi prayer lo ngam na em kisim alright lo ngam me mosem. Em kisim alright lo ngam. Na mino kan ting mo lo arap la sampi no se mas ngim lo.
Mino kan usam tanim somewhere Holy Spirit tina one belo mi must sing him and mino kan make him.
You may believe long Christ. Now wait him make him good long you me. That's all. Suppose you may wait him or something you may by kiss him long. Life belong display ground that's all. Alright. True to mass you may tarangu line straight. Now you may win him or arapla tarangu line belong display ground.
Wampla man ba ikam na preach him talk longan na bato ko sem. You make him walk long ko sem na. Or you make him kain mo ko sem na bano at si kama plo you. Do you stop good lo ng God ba luka utim you good through straight. Me no can believe in this pla kain ting lo man when sa ting em ba lose. Me make him walk long God so God can bring him heavy lo me. Or me can lose lo something ina him like long God yeah. Sem display kain believe time inda yang God bakira pimion tem nupla body na kain ting o sem disla man em toki milongan em disla kain ting em lo lose na ba na pro help him
Sampla ting o sem oman sa kama bin sila kain on believe o sem. You may give him 110 go back and God na God ba give him lo yumi. Sila mo sem man believe lo kisim something lo ground taso. So this like I don't believe I mean no believe lo kisima something so good la life lo behind time and believe lo you like him kisi something lo ground taso you like making walk lo God lo ground lo kisi something lo ground so now lo mi playa discuss lo mi plus kelly mo so believe lo kisi something lo ground and this like and something lo finish na bagara so you may believe in God lo kisi something lo heaven.
Man must believe na believe lo emba kila back